Welcome to my channel 5 Best Tools Hub. Here are the top 5 foldable rollator walker of 2025. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Ytyin Foldable Rollator Walker. The Ytyin Nitro Sprint Foldable Rollator Walker combines functionality with sleek design for enhanced mobility. Its lightweight frame and large wheels ensure smooth navigation on various terrains, offering stability and control. The built-in seat provides a comfortable resting spot, while the foldable design makes it compact and easy to store or transport. Designed at a standard height, it suits a wide range of users. This rollator is an excellent choice for those seeking reliability, comfort, and modern styling in a mobility aid. Number 2. Vevor FBL 427-113 Foldable Rollator Walker. The Vevor FBL 427-1132 in 1 rollator walker and transport chair is a versatile mobility solution for seniors. Combining a rollator walker and a transport chair, it seamlessly transitions between walking support and seated transport. Made from durable aluminum, it is lightweight yet sturdy. The foldable design ensures easy storage and portability, while the padded seat and backrest enhance comfort. Smooth rolling wheels and ergonomic handles provide excellent maneuverability. This dual-purpose mobility aid is practical, reliable, and perfect for enhancing independence and convenience. Number 3. Henmnii Foldable Rollator Walker. The Henmnii Rollator Walker for seniors combines functionality and comfort in a lightweight design. Its foldable aluminum frame ensures durability and portability, ideal for travel and storage. The 8-inch rubber wheels provide excellent traction for all-terrain use, offering smooth mobility indoors and outdoors. The built-in seat adds convenience, allowing users to rest when needed. Easy to maneuver and stylishly designed, it's a practical choice for seniors seeking a reliable rolling walker that prioritizes stability, comfort, and ease of use. Number 4. Luckycare Foldable Rollator Walker. The Luckycare Rehabilitation Rollator Walker is a versatile mobility aid designed for elderly or disabled users. Made from lightweight yet sturdy aluminum alloy, it offers durability and easy handling. Its folding design ensures convenient storage and portability, while the pulley system enhances smooth movement during training or daily use. The walker provides excellent stability and support, aiding rehabilitation and promoting independence. Ideal for household use, it's a practical and reliable solution for mobility assistance, balancing functionality and comfort effectively. Number 5. Diowewea Foldable Rollator Walker. The Diowewea Rollator Walker for seniors is a practical and well-designed mobility aid. It features an upgraded thumb press button for hassle-free height adjustment, ensuring a customized fit for users. The sturdy frame, combined with 8-inch wheels, provides excellent stability and smooth maneuverability, both indoors and outdoors. Its integrated storage bag is perfect for carrying essentials, adding convenience. Lightweight yet durable, it folds easily for transport and storage. Ideal for seniors seeking reliability and comfort in their daily mobility needs. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.